Hey guys, got a really cool car for you today. This is a 68 Chevrolet C10 pickup long bed. This truck is totally frame off restored and it is running and looking great. This is a 2008 Porsche paint color. Really sharp titanium almost color. Check out the wood bed here. Fabulous wood bed. Rear window slider. And check out the remote fuel filler there. So the fuel tank's been relocated to underneath the bed, that's where you want it. And that goes through so you have a nice side access to fill up your gas tank. You know, a lot of the trucks, they just stick the opener right here, so you gotta reach in with the hose, you spill fuel all over your bed. So other than having this in the bed, I think that's a much slicker system, a little easier to fill up. Exhaust exits right in front of the rear tires. And this truck was totally redone out in Buena Vista, Colorado. So not too far from where we are here in Denver, just over the mountains a little ways. And they did an excellent job on this truck. It does have a lot of records for the engine, the transmission, the rear end, and miscellaneous stuff for everything that's been done to it. It has an aftermarket column with the tilt function there. That's pretty sweet. Factory tach. Nice wipers. No horn. Got your blower motor fan. Nice stereo system. You got the kick panel speakers there. And nice door panel vinyl they did. This truck is just in awesome shape. Fit and finish is just immaculate. So there you got your shift indicator that works nice. Got your brake handle. Check out that motor. That's a small block Chevy engine, 350 cubic inch, custom built out in Buena Vista. Has a mild cam in it. It runs really nice and strong. It's a turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission. You got power front disc brakes. You got power steering. You can tell it's a turbo 400 because it has an electronic transmission kickdown. The turbo 350 uses a cable style to kick the transmission down. The turbo 400 uses an electric switch. Nice long tube headers and exhaust system. So you got a heavy duty transmission cooler. Great craftsmanship under the hood here, guys. I mean, just check this out. You know, they had this entire truck taken apart to get it to look this way. It was a frame-off restoration. Gorgeous body. I mean, the paint and body is just about as straight as I've ever seen an old truck like this. They definitely spent a lot of extra time getting the body to fit straight and all the gaps to fit nice. Got the chrome there. The only blemish I see is it's kind of like a bulge right there. I'm not really sure what's going on. see is the rest of it is just gorgeous. The door hardware here isn't painted, and that's a nice touch. They had everything apart when they did this. And check out the tailgate. The handle to release it is on the inside. So that, I was told that is a factory tailgate, and they body worked it to smooth it out like that, not an aftermarket, which is pretty sweet. The original stuff is a lot higher quality. There's that tailgate. Look how nice that is. That just gives it a really cool look. But if you're interested in this truck, make sure to go to our website. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including detailed photos of the undercarriage. It looks as good underneath as it does up top. I think you'll be pretty impressed. And if you have any more questions, or you'd like to see any of the paperwork that the vehicle has with it, please give us a call. Go to carsrememberwhen.com, or you can call us at 720-465-5104. Thanks for watching.